Let's look at some examples. These are the kind of word problems you are going to get in sets and Venn diagrams. Okay, so you can use either sets or Venn diagrams, and by using that cardinal number formula, you'll be able to solve these kind of problems. Okay, so as usual, what we do is that let's collect the data points what they have given you. They are saying that there are 100 teachers in a school, right? So that means that's the universe. 60 teach science and 25 teach humanities. If you look at it, there are the teachers actually are teaching two subjects. One is science and another is humanities. Okay, and 15 of them teach both science and humanities, and they're asking us to find the number of teachers who teach science but not humanities, humanities but not science, and humanities or science. Okay, so first and foremost thing what you need to do is to draw a small Venn diagram to be very clear that what is the information given. So this is your universe, and universe has 100 teachers. They have mentioned it very clearly. And if these two are the sets, right? Suppose this is science and this is humanities. Okay, what is the information they have given it? They have clearly told that 15 teach both science and humanities. I can put the number over here. Okay, I can include that number over here. Now look at it. They told that 60 teach science. So basically n of s, not a, the cardinal number of the science teachers is equal to 60, right? And the cardinal number of the humanities teachers is equal to 25. Look at it. Okay, can I go ahead and put 60 over here? It will not work out if I put 60 over here directly, right? Because they told that the number of teachers who teach science are 60 total. In this 60, there will be 15 teachers who are teaching humanities, right? So that is what you need to take into consideration. So what you need to do is that you need to put a number over here, say 40, this is 60, right? Then it will be 15 minus 60 is 45, yes, yeah, correct, right? That is what it is going to be over here, right? Look at it. Because what you need to do is that these science teachers, whoever are teaching, right, there are 60 teachers of them who are teaching science, but out of which 15 are teaching humanities. Similarly, in this particular case, your total count for your humanities teachers are 25. Out of these 25, there are 15 who are teaching science also. So you need to put that number over here. So the number of teachers who are teaching humanities is 10. Right? That is how you're going to do it. And look at it. When you count when you add all of these, right? What do you get? 45 plus 15 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. There are only 70 out of 100 teachers who are teaching science and humanities. The remaining 30 are not teaching anything. So you have to put it in the universe like that. Okay? So that is how you're going to represent it, so that it becomes very easy for you to calculate these numbers. Look at it now. Now let's go to the question. What are they saying? Teachers who teach science but not humanities. So that is what we found. This is nothing but it is S minus H. Look at it. That is what we did, right? S minus H. From this particular figure, if you remember, if you take out this, right? If you take the total count, right, of your total count of science teachers was how much? It was 60. It was 60, yes, and you need to take out that 15 because 15 of them are being taught. Out of this 60, there are 15 of them who are teaching humanities. So you are not going to consider that. So basically, the first one is S minus H will be equal to 60 minus 15 is equal to 45. With the same logic, the next one will be H minus S. So, which is the total number of teachers who were teaching humanities are 25. Out of those, how many were teaching science? It's 15. So, the answer is 10. Right? That is what they are asking you to find. This is H minus S. Right? And now what are they asking you to find? They are asking you to find humanities or science. How do you get it? Humanity or science means it is n of, this I have to denote it by cardinal number. Yes, like this. Okay, n of S union H. That is what they are asking you to find. So we know the formula very well, right? N of S plus N of H minus N of S intersection H. So put the values. N of S is how much? It was 60 plus N of H was how much total? It was 25 minus this number, which is 15, right? You have 60 plus 25, 85. 85 minus 15 is 70 teachers. Look at it. Your answer is correct. All, including all of them, we guessed it earlier that it is 70. The answer is correct. So the total number of teachers teaching either science or humanities is 70. 45 plus 15 plus 10 is 70. This is the answer. This is how you need to approach the problems, using Venn diagrams, using formulas and all those things. Okay.